Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the TV. Enable developer options, then allow unknown sources so you can install an app outside the Play Store. Once done, transfer a compatible Chrome APK to the TV via USB or a cloud file manager. Make sure the APK matches your chipset, ARM64 or ARMY by V7A. You open a file manager or the downloader app, locate the APK, and tap Install. This first step gets Chrome onto the system. It avoids waiting for TV-optimized store listings and puts control in your hands. After the APK installs, you open Chrome and grant the standard permissions: storage, microphone if you plan voice search. Next, sign in with your Google account to sync bookmarks, passwords, and history. This makes your browsing familiar and efficient. Make sure to adjust display scaling and text size for a TV screen, and configure remote or gamepad navigation in settings so links are selectable with the remote. These steps tailor Chrome to the big screen and reduce friction when you browse media sites. To finish, test core tasks. Load a few websites, play video, and try casting from a phone. This confirms codecs and sign-in work correctly. If navigating is awkward, connect a Bluetooth mouse or keyboard. This often fixes selection issues instantly. If Chrome misbehaves, clear app data, uninstall, then reinstall the APK to remove corrupted settings. If crashes persist, try a different Chrome build that matches your Android TV version. One key troubleshooting tip: clearing app data usually restores stability without losing your synced bookmarks.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.